We are excited to announce a new collaboration between VIVERSE and Wonderland Engine. Creators can now publish their Wonderland projects directly to VIVERSE. Wonderland Engine is one of the most advanced and performant tools for developers to build 3D experiences in the web browser. With the new VIVERSE plugin, Wonderland creators can now easily upload their projects to VIVERSE without ever leaving the editor. We've also built examples for using VIVERSE avatars in desktop, mobile, and VR with Wonderland Cloud Multiplayer, making it easy to set up your own social environment. At VIVERSE, we specialize in helping creators distribute and monetize their content in the browser. We are so excited to be working closely with the Wonderland team and to connect with the incredible Wonderland creator community. Check out the new VIVERSE plugin for Wonderland on GitHub and join the VIVERSE creator community today.